Hello and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. Today's global textile industry is a vast and diverse sector that plays a crucial role in the world economy. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from producing raw materials like cotton, wool, and synthetic fibers, to weaving these materials into fabrics, and finally, creating fashion and functional clothing. And while even less developed nations have long ago embraced technology to make producing textiles faster and easier, some weavers still prefer to do things the old-fashioned way. Kutnu Fabric is a traditional Turkish textile known for its unique blend of silk and cotton, as well as its vibrant colors and intricate patterns. It originated in Gaziantep, a city that has been a center for weaving and textile production for centuries. The name Kutnu is derived from the specific weaving technique, as well as the type of loom used in the process. The process starts with preparing the yarn. Cotton and silk threads are commonly used. The cotton yarn serves as the weft, or vertical patterning, while silk is used for the horizontal warp, which gives the fabric its characteristic sheen.
Dokumacılığına çocuk yaşlardan, yani ata mesleği olduğu için çocukluğumuzdan beri başladık. Ben 4. kuşak olaraktan şu anda devam etmekteyim. Kendimiz bütün aşamalarını kendi ellerimizde geçiriyoruz. Modelleri kendimiz tasarlıyoruz. Yani elimizden geldiği kadar Kutnu'yu yaşatmaya devam ediyoruz. Çünkü Kutnu Gaziantep'in tarihini anlatan bir kumaştır.
The yarn is then dyed, resulting in the vibrant colors typical of Kutnu fabrics.
Söküldükten sonra söktüğümüz ipeğin eğer rengini değiştirmemiz icap ediyorsa, kırmızı veyahut da herhangi bir rengi boyayacaksak boyacıya gider boyanır.
First, the yarn is treated so that it will accept the dyes more readily. Many dye makers use the same all-natural products that have been used for hundreds of years. Using various minerals, plants, and even insects, they can make all manner of colors, tints, and blends. Once finished, the dyed yarn is carefully hung to dry. After it has dried, it is then arranged in spools of various sizes and types.
Tarakçı da tezgahtan bir önceki aşamadır. Orada deseni, raporu, her şey orada meydana çıkar. Taraklanır, çekilir. Çekildikten sonra tezgahta dokunmaya başlar. Bizim işimizin teknolojiyle bir alakası yoktur. En kuvvetli eleman 12 saatte 50 metreyi anca işler. Teknoloji olarak bir şey yok.
The yarn is then set up on a traditional hand loom. This process is extremely labor-intensive and requires precision to create the desired pattern. Weaving is done on a mechanical loom. The weaver uses a shuttle to interlace the cotton weft with the silk warp, a process that sometimes takes decades to master. Patterns will be designed ahead of time, and it's the weaver's job to recreate them perfectly. Snags and other errors must be corrected throughout the process to ensure the ideal result. After weaving, the fabric will be washed to soften it and help set the colors. Finally, the fabric will be dried and ironed to give it a smooth finish. The results, however, speak for themselves.
Avrupa'ya falan ürünlerimizi yavaş yavaş göndermeye başlıyoruz. Kutnu'yu ne kadar dünyaya tanıtırsak bizim için o kadar iyi diye düşünüyoruz.
Kutnu can be used to make traditional Turkish garments, such as kaftans, jackets, and vests, as well as home textiles, accessories, and upholstery. Kutnu fabric holds a significant place in Turkish cultural heritage. It is not only a symbol of the rich history of Gaziantep's textile industry, but also continues to represent the artistry and craftsmanship of Turkish weavers. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.